Hello everyone. So this is the second experiment in IoT, Internet of Things. So this one is about analog input output. So the aim of this experiment is to demonstrate or implement analog input and output. So what we are going to do in this experiment is we are going to use a potentiometer. So this is the potentiometer. So it has three pins, one, two, and three. So this is for getting the value of this potentiometer, and one is voltage 3.3 volts, another one is ground. So it doesn't matter if we exchange these two pins. This can be ground and this can be voltage, but this is for getting the reading of potentiometer. So potentiometer is also called variable resistance. Okay, so typically resistors like this have fixed value, but resistors like variable resistance like potentiometer has variable resistance. That is, for example, this is 100 kilo ohm potentiometer. So its value can be from 0 to, that is minimum, maximum is 100 kilo ohms. So we can change the value of the resistance by rotating it like this. Okay, so the components required are node MCU, 100 kilo ohms potentiometer, one LED. So here we have the LED, and this is the potentiometer, the node MCU, and a 330 ohms resistor which is already connected to the anode of LED, and one breadboard. Okay, and of course I am not mentioning jumper wires. We need jumper wires. So the diagram is like this, connections diagram. So here we have LED, whose anode is connected to 330 ohms resistor, and here this is the potentiometer which has three pins. Okay, so one pin is connected to 3.3 volts, another pin is connected to ground, and the middle pin is connected to here in this case analog pin A0. So node MCU we have only one analog pin A0, so this is the pin. So we are connecting the potentiometer pin to analog A0 pin because we need the continuous values of the resistance. So when I am rotating this dial, the value of the resistance will be changing from 0, 10, 20 like that. And that value we will read using this pin A0. And the anode of LED is connected to pin D0. So this one. So let me make the connections quickly. So this resistor is connected to D0, and let me insert the potentiometer. Okay, so the single pin which is on one side will go to A0. So this is the A0, and then the cathode of LED is connected to ground. So we have ground here, and one pin of potentiometer is connected to ground. So here we have a ground, and then the other pin, the third pin and the last pin of potentiometer is connected to voltage 3.3 volts. So the connections are made. So what happens when I run the program is, when I am changing the value of the potentiometer like this, based on the value of the resistance, the LED will glow from dim to bright. Okay, so when the resistance is low, the LED will be brighter, but when the resistance value is high, the LED will be dull. So let's connect the Node MCU to USB. So the program is like this. So potentiometer pin is A0 and LED pin is D0, and we are setting LED to output mode and potentiometer in input mode. And then to read the value of the potentiometer, we use a method called analog read. It's a predefined function for reading the analog values, and we are reading the value of potentiometer. Okay, so this green wire which is connected to A0, and this potentiometer, the value returned by this function will be in the range 0 to 1023, and we map these values to the range 0 to 255 by using a predefined function called map. Okay, so using this function we are changing this value which we read from the potentiometer, and its source range is 0 to 1023 and the target range is 0 to 255, and the final value is stored in brightness and it is given as parameter to analog write. So see here we are using analog write instead of digital write because we are giving continuous values. So in this case we are giving the brightness value to LED. So let's see the program in Arduino. So here is the same program. I am clicking on upload. So the program is compiling. Okay, program compiling is done, and now it is writing to Node MCU. You can see this LED here, it's blinking. So the program is not still written. It is in the process of writing it to Node MCU. Okay, the program is running now. Now you can see the LED is very dull, right? So when I change the resistance value, you can see the brightness of LED is increasing. Now if I again change the resistance value, you can see the brightness of LED is becoming less and very less. Okay, so it is not completely off because there is some resistance still there. So it is, the resistance is not very high, so that is why it is dull. Okay, so if I decrease the resistance, the brightness will increase. Okay, so this is the experiment through which we are demonstrating analog input and analog output. So analog input we are giving that using potentiometer, variable resistance, and analog write we are seeing it using LED. Thank you.